A high-stakes legal battle, it is unfolding in Hawaii's highest court, and it could determine how quickly Maui fire survivors get financial relief. Our Ali Dukalo explains the arguments from both sides.
They need every penny to restitch the fabric and bring the community back together.
Attorneys representing fire survivors.
I think that the settling parties are kind of operating on a false premise here. We're not trying to block any settlement.
And attorneys for insurance companies pleading their opposing cases in Hawai'i Supreme Court Thursday. The hearing covered whether insurers should take reimbursements from the $4 billion Maui wildfire settlement, or if the court should allow them to sue Hawaiian Electric, the state, and other large landowners on their own. But if the latter were to happen, some argue that process would delay how quickly money would be given to fire survivors.
They just want a bigger piece of the pie. That's what it comes down to. It's money for them. And the difference is any money that goes to them is less money that's going to go back to this community.
Lawyers for insurers mentioned feeling iced out of the process and not being given enough after doling out $2.3 billion to residents and businesses, expecting to have to pay an additional $1 billion.
It comes down to the fact that they participated, but from afar. It's the plaintiff's attorneys that did all the work.
That's quite misleading.
The insurer's lawyers say they rolled out a thorough and timely investigation, even determined how the fire was started through expert opinions before they pursued legal action.
Very misleading to suggest that the insurers want to do anything harmful to their insureds. The insurers' interests are to be able to pursue their own claims relative to the amounts they paid out to their insureds.
As the legal process plays out, it may take a while for survivors to begin receiving money. The Supreme Court's ruling on the insurance companies alone could come in about 2 months.
We know that the law is correctly as we have stated it. So we feel very good about our chances here.
I'm very confident. I'm very confident in our Hawai'i Supreme Court.
Well, I'm confident not only because, not only based on the argument, but the law.
Even after the Hawai'i Supreme Court's decision, the losing side could seek review at the U.S. Supreme Court. Ali Dukalo, Island News.